What is good? Welcome to Cooking with Tea. Today I'm gonna be making a delicious breakfast taco. It's perfect for breakfast, it's perfect for brunch. It's super banging, super quick and delicious. I'm gonna show you right now how we're gonna get into it. The recipe is gonna be down below in the deets. But before we get started, make sure you guys, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel and holler at me on Instagram at Chef Tiana G. I think that's it. Let's get into it. Okay, so these are today's ingredients. Let me zoom and do my duties. So we're gonna first off, we're gonna start with the pico because that's what's gonna take a little bit of time to develop some flavor, but it's also gonna be super quick. So we're just gonna take the tomato and then we're gonna dice it. That's what we're doing with this. All right, next, Serrano. I'm doing rounds today. If you guys don't want that much bite of Serrano, go ahead and dice that in there. Take my cilantro. Choppy. Into the bowl. Next, take some of my red onion. Cut it in half. Here we are. That looks good. Pop it in the bowl. Next, lime. Lime juice into the pico. Juice that in there. Salt. Mix. So that is a quick, simple, really fast pico in the bowl. Got it. Perfect. Let me prepare our radishes because I love radish. Really quickly. Just gonna cut them top and bottom off. I'm gonna cut them into quarters. Sometimes it's good if you cut these ahead of time. If you want, you can leave them in a little bit of ice water. They will stay nice and gorge. Perfect. Going to crack our eggs. We're gonna add a little salt into the egg, a little pepper into the egg, whisk the eggs. Use a whisk or a fork. Get in how you fit in. That's it. Simple. Now we're going to the oven. Going to the oven. The ovs. Perfect. I have my pan getting hot here, and my oil cap going to there, and there again. And anyways, chorizo. This is Soyrizo. By the way, you can use regular chorizo if you would like. Turn the heat down just a little bit. Now that the chorizo is a little brown, I'm gonna add my eggs. I'm gonna scramble it. So the eggs are cooked. Moving this aside. Right on that flame, adding my tortilla. I like to char my tortillas over the flame. That's just how I like to do things. If you like to, you can even like crunch this up, make a tostada. You can cut it up in chips, eat it like that. But I'm just gonna get a little bit of brown char goodness on my tortilla. like that. Alrighty, now we're gonna plate the super easy and simple taco. I'm taking my tortillas. I'm gonna take a little bit of avocado on the bottom. Like this. And then I'm gonna take some of our eggs right on top of the avocado. It's a big old taco. Alrighty, there's that. Then I'm gonna take my Pico, add just a little bit of Pico on top of the taco. I could have easily got 3 tacos. I'm forcing right now. Definitely forcing. But that's okay. We're already here. Made it all the way here now, so what am I to do? Alrighty. Gotta get some crema. I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Just a little bit of crema on the top. You could also put this on the bottom if you'd like, where I added the avocados. Just a little bit. My radishes, because I love my radishes. And then last but not least, my favorite hot sauce. Or your favorite hot sauce of choice. And that is so easy. Teas, breakfast, tacos. All right, you guys, there we have it. Breakfast tacos. All right. I'm hungry. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. That was super easy, super quick, delicious, banging. I could have got 3 tacos out of that. That was a force, but it's okay. Everything's great. Everything's gonna be delicious. And comment down below what you guys think, what I should make next. Okay, I actually made this video because somebody reached out to me and was like, do you ever do breakfast videos? Well, you know what, I don't do breakfast videos. So I'm gonna have a lot more breakfast videos coming your way. Some more quick, easy, original recipes from my heart to yours. So with that being said, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. And until next time, peace, love.